Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve high CPU or memory usage caused by the IA store data service on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type installed apps STALLED installed apps. Click open it. And in here install apps, you need to go to search apps. You need to search for Intel rapid storage technology, STORAGETECHNOLOGIGY rapid Intel rapid storage technology. Guys, I do not have Intel processor, so that on the system that I didn't get that. If you are using install Intel processor, you really have it guys, so go ahead and uninstall it. You just need to click that three dot icon and click uninstall and go ahead and restart your PC guys. That should good to go guys. After you hopefully that can able to resolve your problem. And next more step, let's move on to next step. Go to search menu and type services. Open it. In here you need to search for Intel store rapid storage technology service. You need to search for it. I don't personally use that Intel processor, that's why I didn't get it, but you guys using that definitely get it guys. You just right click on it and you need to click on stop, and after that here service status will be stopped. After that you need to check startup type is where automatic. You need to click on automatic, and after that you need to click on start again and click apply, and there need to get service status again to running. After that you need to click apply and okay, you should good to go guys. After that, that's pretty much it. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.